Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do upperlip threading at home. For any reason you're unable to go to a salon, if you don't get an appointment, or with the current situation where you have to self-isolate, I've done a step-by-step guide to do upperlip threading at home. So you have to make sure that when you're threading that the skin is taut. You have to stretch it. The middle of your upper lip, you can stretch it right up to under your upper teeth. The corners, you can use your tongue to stretch the skin. You find that you can use both the methods. You can do the right hand side threading and the left hand side threading. It's just practice makes perfect. And you're done. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And please, if you have any comments, if you can put on the comment section of this video, it will be really appreciated.